How to create a running game store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started first by showing you how you can create your own account in the platform. So here, open a new window and then enter Shopify. Then choose the first result you will have. And then you proceed to starting your free trial. Click on start free trial. Then enter your email. Then you will have your account created. So here, after creating your account, you will move on to this dashboard. It's where you can control and change everything about your store. So here in your left, you have the home button. If you want to go to the home, you have the orders. If you want to check the orders that you've had, the total orders, the returns, and those things. And here you have the products. If you want to add new products, or if you want to import the ones that you already have. Then we have the customers. It's where you can see all of your customers. You have the content, where you can manage the content that you have. If you want to create your first meta object definition. And here you have the analytics. It's where you can see your data. You can see how many sales you've made today, the sales that you've made by channels, the conversion rate, the store sessions, the total orders, the average order value, and all of those data. And then you have the marketing. And here it's where you have your marketing, where you have your online store session, the online store conversion rate, and all of those things. And here we have the discounts. If you want to create a discount, then we have the online store. It's where you can change your theme and where you can change how your store is looking like. So here, for example, you can view your store by clicking on this button. You'll be able to see how your store is looking like. The logo, everything about your store, you can see it in here. And by scrolling down, you will be able to choose or to change the theme that you have. So here, these are the themes that I have in my theme library. You can either publish them to be your current theme, or you can just click on these three dots, then click on remove to remove the theme. So here I'm going to remove this one, and here we have the dawn theme. It's the theme that you will have installed by default in your store. Once you create your store, you'll have this one installed by default. You can change it by going to visit the theme store. It's where you will be able to see all of the available themes. We have 173 themes, and only 12 of them are free. The others are all paid. So here, by scrolling down, you will be able to choose the theme that you like. For example, if you like this one, you will need to pay $320 for that theme. So if you don't have a budget to pay for the themes, you can just scroll up and then click on free. Check the free themes. So here, those are all the free themes that we have in here. You can choose refresh, for example. You can use this theme. Click on view demo store to check the theme first before using it. This is how the theme is looking like. This is how it's looking like. And if you like the theme, you can click on try theme. Then you will have it installed. You will have it installed in your theme library. Then you would need to click on publish in order to make it your current theme. So after choosing your theme, then click on customize to customize the theme that you've chosen. So here, this is how our store is looking like, and this is the theme we've chosen. So here, let's start adjusting it. So here, let's go to the announcement bar first, and here let's turn auto rotate announcements on, and let's leave it at 5 seconds. Then let's go back. Let's change what's written inside the announcement bar to free shipping this week. And then let's go back, add another announcement, which is 50% off today. And then let's go back and watch it now. It will be changing every 5 seconds between those two announcements. That's what the auto rotate announcements is doing. By turn it on, that's what it's going to do. After you're done with the announcement bar, then you move on to the header. So here you can just click on whatever you'd like to change, then you will have it in your left side. So here the first thing we're going to do is to place it in the middle left, like that. Then go to the theme settings to add your logo. So here you can export free images, or you can select image from your desktop if you've already created your logo. For me, I didn't create any logo, so I'm going to use the free images. So here I'm going to search for an image about running gear. So here we have women's fashion, fall, men's fashion, nature, accessories and jewelry, shopping, kids and babies, watches, tech, fitness. So here I'm going to use fitness and sports. And here I'm going to search for some running gear. Here I'm going to choose this running man. I'm going to scroll down. So that's it. Click on select. I'm going to choose it as my logo. And here you can control the width of the logo. Let's make it 110 pixels. Even though it takes a lot of space, but it's just a picture. When you create your logo, you will make sure to create it in the right sizes to match your store. And here by scrolling down, you will see also the fav icon image. And if you are asking what is the fav icon image, it's this one, the one that you will have in the window. It's like a small logo. So here just make sure to add your logo as well, but with the right sizes. That's the difference between it and between the logo. And after you're done with the changes, just click on save to save all of your changes. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.